Hey, what's up, guys? I got a Bella air fryer that I'm going to be trying to use today. It's my first time using it. I've had it for a while. Never had the guts to really try and crack it open and see what it's about. I usually just cook everything obviously on the stove. This is the first time I'm going to use it. This is supposed to be an alternative to actually frying stuff on a pan. So yeah, just real quick, the specs on it, it's 1.2 quarts. Supposed to be healthier. You don't need oil, just enough oil to lightly coat the food that you're using. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to use these air fryers, a lot of recipes. Right now I'm kind of following this one here that says chicken pieces 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. You turn them over at 10 minutes. So let's get to the machine. Looks really big. I thought, you fit stuff up here and down here. Nope, this is the main, this is where all the action happens. You pull this out, this is what you get. It's like a tray. Inside the tray is another smaller tray where you lay your food on. This is a very nonstick surface. When you lay this down here, you have a gap. It's hard to tell, but you have a gap in there where if there is any grease, kind of just sits underneath this tray. And right here you have your timer. I thought this comes out for something, holds something or does anything, but that doesn't move at all. It's literally, this is the only moving part. You got your heat adjuster here, your timer, your connector in the back. I guess this is your vent. There's your coils over there. It's probably got heat and a fan. I like to look at stuff like that. I'm mechanically inclined a little bit, so I try and look at the ergonomics and stuff. That's literally the only other panel you can open. So it's pretty simple. So right now I got chicken, I guess, strips or chicken tenders. And I'm gonna season. I'm not a chef, so I'm just gonna use like garlic salt. Yeah, garlic salt, regular garlic powder, some pepper, some turmeric, a little bit of curry powder. Obviously dress it up in the olive oil and throw it in there, see what happens. I'll come right back. Alright, so now I'm gonna put everything in here. All the chicken's gonna go in here. And then we're gonna spread it out. I just lightly drizzled everything with the ingredients. I don't have no measurements. Kind of just play it by eye. Try and spread them out. Like I said, this is only a 1.2 quart. If you feel like you're going to be cooking a lot more, try and get the bigger one. Alright, so I set the timer to 30. Now we're going to put this in. You hear the fan come on. Okay, so my recipe or instructions say, here we get chicken pieces. Alright, so I'm going to come back in 10 minutes to turn everything over and just see how it looks. Alright, so I went past my 10-minute mark. Let's take a look and see how this looks. Oh, not bad. It is cooking. Now we're just gonna try and turn these over. Let's see if I do this with one hand. Spread them out. So this is at 350. These pieces are pretty thick. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand as I'm trying to film at the same time. Alright, so there we go. I turned them all over. Got a nice color. I think that curry helped out a lot. Yeah, be careful because this is hot to the touch. Alright, so now we're going to put it back in. Right now it says 15 more minutes. So give or take. You gotta probably play around with this. You know, you should watch it while you're cooking. So that's in. Alright, so moment of truth. Timer went off. It actually looks pretty good. Looks pretty crispy. Doesn't look soggy at all. So I really don't know what I was going for, either fried chicken or just chicken. Whoa, look at that. I barely poked into it and look at it coming apart. Jeez. Wow, it almost looks like a chicken tender, just not fried. Let's give it a taste test. Let me see what I can do. Whoa. Wow. That is good. I don't even need the knife. Wow. Look at that. It's not raw at all. Come on, focus. Let's try it again. Wow. That is the bomb. Holy crap. Seasoning's not bad. It's pretty good. It is just a hair dry, but if you have ketchup, barbecue sauce, or ranch, blue cheese, you could eat with this. That is freaking good. And now, all I have to do to clean let me just put this in a container. All I have to do to clean is pull this nonstick tray out, and that's it. Clean it in the sink. I don't gotta wash pans and tons of spoons and all that. Man, but that came out pretty good. I'm shocked at how it worked. Alright guys, well that's my review on the Bella air fryer. If you guys have any questions or maybe any comments or some recipes, I see some stuff here: chicken wings, fries, kale chips, fruit crumble. I guess you could bake with this too. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys have one, what are your recipes? Alright, peace guys, thanks for watching. Yep, just finished cleaning it. Just a quick tip when washing this. These little rubber edge pieces come off super easy. I barely even, look, slide right off. So when you're washing this, either you could take them off ahead of time or just, watch it drain so these rubber pieces don't fall off. Alright, last tip.